Few days ago, I was having hiccups, and then I thought of talking about what causes hiccups, and how you can resolve it, and all of that. So at the end of this video, you will know what hiccups is, the causes of hiccups, the fast facts on hiccups, and how to prevent hiccups. Even what you must know about hiccups in infants. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muyolu Ajiteru. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you're a family, thank you so much for being my audience. Thank you so much for coming back. And let's go straight to the business. A hiccup is an involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, the respiration muscle that separates the chest and abdomen. That's what is being referred to as the diaphragm. Hiccups are usually harmless and resolve by themselves after a few minutes. In some cases, prolonged hiccups that last for days or weeks may be symptomatic of underlying disorders. Most cases of hiccups goes away within a few minutes or hours. If you regularly get hiccups or have hiccups that last for more than 2 days, please talk to your doctor, because your hiccups could be a sign of an underlying condition. So the first facts about hiccups are what I want to talk about now. Number one, eating or drinking too quickly often causes hiccups. If you are someone that eats or drinks too quickly, you want to be as fast as you can, this process often causes hiccups. Then number two, hiccups usually resolves on their own with no medical intervention. I said earlier that it resolves on its own within few minutes or few hours. And the last one is hiccups affect everyone, from babies to older adults. So I will be talking about the causes of hiccups now. Number one thing I'm going to be talking about is stress. If you are stressed, hiccups might come. Hiccups might happen. Number two, if you have strong emotions. Number three, eating or drinking. Like if you eat or drink too fast, you might have hiccups. As a matter of fact, if you eat without taking water as well, you might have hiccups. So for some, eating spicy food actually makes them have hiccups. And for some, eating too quickly or swallowing air from carbonated drinks, it can actually be a trigger as well. Then hiccups as well could be a symptoms of chronic kidney disease. If seen in a sick individual, please make sure that individual visit the hospital as soon as possible. So now, how can you prevent hiccups? You can prevent hiccups by doing these things I'm about to mention. Number one, holding the breath for about 10 seconds. If you can hold your breath for about 10 seconds, then inhaling 2 more times before exhaling again. Do you understand? Like holding your breath for about 10 seconds, then breathing in 2 more times before you now breathe out. Do you understand? So another way of preventing hiccups is eat smaller amount of food per serving. You don't really have to overload your stomach at once. So eat smaller amount of food per serving. Number three, eat slower. Avoid spicy food. Don't drink alcohol. Don't smoke. Don't chew gum. Avoid carbonated drinks. So now let's talk about hiccups in infants. Babies often get hiccups. It's a normal thing for them to get hiccups, and this actually serves as a standard part of child development and do not typically disturb them. Hiccups doesn't really disturb babies, and it's very good for them. And this myth that they'll say, put that you should put a cotton wool or something or thread on the baby's head so that the hiccups can stop. That's not medically proven. So you're just doing your thing. So it's actually a standard part of child development. So it's not something that you should really be worried about. However, hiccups can sometimes disrupt feeding and sleeping, I mean in infants. If hiccups occur during a feeding, it may be possible to get rid of them by doing what I'm about to mention now. Number one, changing the baby's position. If you notice that your baby is having hiccups, while feeding them, the very first thing you should do, change the baby's position. Number two, bopping the baby, tapping the baby at the back. Change the baby's position, then bop the baby, then calm the baby down. So that's going to be a very good help for hiccups in infants. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so that you don't miss out on any of my videos every Thursday 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. Bye.